Welcome sa Radiant Organica, ang partner mo sa wellness at income. Dito, hindi mo kailangang mamili. Pwede kang gumanda, gumaling at kumita sabay-sabay. Ang mission namin, to help Filipinos live healthier lives gamit ang natural at affordable na products. Ang vision, a better future kung saan bawat pamilya ay may health at may kita. Almost 1 out of 4 Pinoys ay nasa poverty line. Kahit may trabaho, kulang pa rin. That's why we need real opportunities, yung long-term at sustainable. Sa bawat bahay, kulang sa budget, mahirap ang pagkain at nakakalimutan ng health. Minsan inuuna ang bayarin kaysa vitamins. Pero may solusyon. Tumaas ang chronic illnesses. 1 in 5 adults in the Philippines ay obese na. Kaya we need to take health seriously bago pa lumala. Radiant Organica gives you 2 things, wellness products na effective at income opportunity na pwede kahit part-time. Tulungan natin ang sarili natin at ang iba. Bilang member, may access ka sa trusted products, free Shopify store at complete digital tools. Walang quota, kami bahala sa back-end. Ikaw, focus sa growth mo. Let's be part of the solution. Tulungan natin ang pamilya at komunidad na maging healthy while building extra income. Sama-sama, aangat tayo! Nakikita mo na ba ang signs of aging, dry skin, dullness at fine lines? Our Apple Stem Cell Day and Night Cream is made with Swiss Malus Domestica stem cells. Turn back time with every application. Each jar contains powerful actives. Apple stem cell to reduce signs of aging, vitamin C at niacinamide to brighten, hyaluronic acid to hydrate, and aloe vera to soothe skin plus vitamin E na antioxidant at meron pang amino acids at jojoba oil para sa skin na glowing, firm at healthy. Pagod, walang gana, mahinang katawan? Superglow Superfood Powder is your everyday nutrition support. 1 scoop a day, nourish every cell every day. Barley para sa heart at digestion. Guava at camu-camu for vitamin C, pampalakas ng resistensya. Tremella, hydrating mushroom, pampaganda ng skin at brain support. Inulin, prebiotic fiber from chicory root, para sa gut health at mas maayos na digestion. Feeds good bacteria, improves nutrient absorption, and helps prevent constipation. Superfood talaga! Boosts your immunity, gives energy, improves digestion, and makes your skin glow. Plant-based, sugar-free, and delicious. Stressed ka ba? Kulang sa tulog? Our Mind and Body Wellness Kit helps you feel calm, energized, and focused. Perfect for moms, students, at busy professionals. 3.6 million Filipinos ay may mental or neurological conditions. Pero 5% lang ng health budget ang allocated sa mental health. Kailangan natin ang proactive self-care. 6 blends in 1 kit. Happy, energy, balance, air, repair, calm, at restful. Natural roll-ons para sa mood, sleep, colds, and daily stress. Don't wait hanggang magkasakit or maubos ang savings. Now is the time to protect your body, your mind, and your wallet. Start at 3,500 pesos with 3,900 pesos worth of products. May savings ka na, may system ka pa. Earn up to 800 pesos per referral plus more ways to earn na walang quota o maintenance. Dito, mabilis ang income mo. Message us now. Reserve your slot today. Limited lang ang slots this month. And we want you on our team. Act now. Be the change. Be one of our founding leaders. This is your sign. Join Radiant Organica today. Thank you for believing in a healthier Philippines. Ikaw ang liwanag na hinihintay ng pamilya mo. This is your time to shine.